Doing a quick demo of how I weld and grind handrail. Got a piece here already coped out. Gonna weld it. I like to make the welds a little oversized. It makes it easier to feather the welds in. And I burn them extra hot so the welds are kind of concaved in. I'm using benchmark abrasives. Flap disc, 4.5 inch, 40 grit. When you're grinding, you want to follow the curve of the rail like this. And then the same goes for when you go onto this rail. You want to keep the grinder flat, and you want to keep the wheel on the weld. You don't want to gouge into the pipe. You do it, just follow. There's an actual grain in the metal, so you want to follow the grain or go against the grain. If you go like this on the rail, there will be a bunch of flat spots and it won't look good. That's about it. You know, it's not perfect, but I was just rushing it for video purposes. Just remember, whenever you're grinding the rail, if it's on this part, you want to go down like this. Don't go like this, because you'll have a bunch of flat spots. And same with this, you want to go in this motion. I'd say it looks pretty good.